In this class example, we're going to quickly talk about how you can use a visual activity to springboard and deepen a class discussion. So this first one, we're going to be having a debate about whether students should wear uniforms in the classroom. So to start off that discussion, I'm going to look through the visual activities, and I'm going to find that left to right scale, and I'm going to drag that onto the board. Then I'm going to double click in here and change the title to ask the question, should students be required to wear uniforms to school? Then since this is my main question, I don't have much else to add. I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit bigger and just change the sizing so we can make it a little bit larger for the students. Okay, then you'll see to add an image. So I'm going to go ahead in and look for students in uniform. And I'm going to pick from the choices, drag them on, and just kind of put it in this image section the best I can. And then I'm going to go ahead and just delete this image in the background. I just want this main image. Okay, make sure to check my spelling and add my question mark. And then down at the bottom, I'm going to look through and I see, make sure that these go with the question. So I'm going to, instead of extremely likely, I'm going to say strongly agree. Somewhat agree, unsure, and then somewhat disagree, and strongly disagree. Then once I have this customized the way I would like, I'm going to go ahead and save those changes and lock down this activity. Then when you share it out to students, you can bring them into the entire board using the blue share link, just making sure that you have it set to be edit access so they can come in. And you always want to have it edit access even for this second way of sharing. So you can use this link to bring them into the entire board to collaborate with multiple activities on the board. Or if you just want to send them this one activity, still set the link up to be edit access, and then grab the share link for the activity. And this will bring them in directly to this board. Then the students will start the activity before the discussion. They will make their selections, turn them in, and then you can go in and view the results. So you can pull the results. It will aggregate how everybody in the class feels. So it'll give you that average. And then you can use the information in the results to then ground and enhance your discussion. Then you could do some lessons with researching, read some articles, watch some videos to learn more about this topic. And you could do this same activity. So you could copy and paste this to make a second activity. And then you can have the students show whether they've changed their mind. And you could pull in those averages. So that is one activity idea on how you can use visual activities to enhance or springboard your class discussions.